Did you know that your cat's coat color could be a window into their personality? For centuries, humans have associated specific character traits with the colors of their feline companions. Ancient cultures, folklore, and even modern pet owners have all noticed patterns that seem too consistent to ignore. But how much of this is truly real? Is it simply superstition passed down through generations, or does science have something to say about it? Today, we're going to explore the secrets hidden in your cat's fur. We'll look at how genetics, biology, and scientific observation may influence behavior, temperament, and even health. From mysterious black cats to energetic orange ones, every color tells a story, and what you're about to discover may surprise you more than you expect. Number 1. Black cats. Imagine a black cat moving silently through your home in the dim light, their sleek coat absorbing every shadow as their bright eyes glow like small lanterns in the dark. For centuries, black cats have been wrapped in myths and superstitions, often unfairly associated with bad luck, mystery, or even the supernatural. Yet anyone who has shared their life with a black cat knows that these beliefs couldn't be further from the truth. Behind that dark, elegant exterior lies a personality that is deeply complex, intelligent, and profoundly loyal. Black cats are not a breed of their own. Their striking color appears in many different breeds, making each one unique. Their deep black fur is the result of high levels of melanin, the pigment responsible for darker coloration. What many people don't realize is that this pigment is surprisingly sensitive. Changes in diet, prolonged exposure to sunlight, or temperature variations can subtly alter their coat, sometimes revealing reddish or brownish undertones. These changes offer a glimpse into the fascinating biology hidden beneath their mysterious appearance. In terms of personality, black cats are often observant and quietly confident. They tend to watch their surroundings carefully before acting, like silent guardians who prefer to understand a situation before stepping into it. This reserved nature is often mistaken for distance, but once trust is established, black cats reveal an affectionate, gentle, and deeply devoted side. They form strong bonds with their humans and can be remarkably protective of those they love. Science adds yet another layer to their mystique. Research suggests that black cats may carry genetic mutations linked to increased resistance to certain diseases. Some scientists believe this genetic strength may have contributed to their survival and adaptability over time. Perhaps this is why black cats carry an air of quiet resilience, symbols of endurance, loyalty, and mystery, all wrapped in a single shadowed silhouette. Number 2. Orange and red cats. Now imagine a completely different kind of presence. A bright orange cat racing through the house, tail held high, eyes sparkling with curiosity, their fur glowing like a small flame caught in the sunlight. Orange cats are often seen as the extroverts of the feline world, bursting with energy and personality. They are social, confident, and almost always eager to be part of whatever their humans are doing, whether invited or not. If you've ever lived with an orange cat, you know they thrive on attention. These cats love human company and rarely miss an opportunity to insert themselves into your daily routine. They greet you with enthusiastic meows, constant purring, and a level of affection that feels almost dog-like. But behind that warmth and friendliness lies a mischievous spirit. Orange cats are notorious for getting into trouble, climbing where they shouldn't, and turning the simplest objects into toys. Life with an orange cat is rarely quiet or boring. Their genetics are just as fascinating as their behavior. The gene responsible for orange coloration is found on the X chromosome, which explains why most orange cats are male. Since males only need one X chromosome to express this trait, orange females are far less common and often considered special. Some scientists believe this genetic link may also influence behavior, as male cats are more likely to exhibit confident, playful, and sometimes territorial tendencies. Both scientific studies and countless owner experiences suggest that orange cats are among the friendliest and most relaxed of felines. Their cheerful temperament appears to be shaped by a combination of genetics, early socialization, and their naturally outgoing nature. Much like their radiant coats, orange cats bring warmth, joy, and a little bit of playful chaos into every home they enter. Number 3. Tricolor cats, calico and tortoiseshell. Tricolor cats, including calico and tortoiseshell felines, are impossible to overlook. Their coats are a living mosaic of white, black, and orange, arranged in patterns so unique that no two are ever exactly the same. But while their appearance immediately captures attention, it's their personality that truly leaves a lasting impression. These cats are known for their confidence and unmistakable presence. Tricolor cats often carry themselves as if they know they are special, moving through their environment with purpose and authority. They are intelligent, quick to learn routines, and rarely hesitate to express their opinions. Whether through a pointed stare, a decisive flick of the tail, or a well-timed meow, they make their boundaries clear. Tricolors can be deeply affectionate with those they trust, yet they always maintain a strong sense of independence. Living with one often feels like sharing your home with a small but determined ruler who expects respect on their terms. Their genetics are just as extraordinary as their character. Nearly all tricolor cats are female, a result of how coat color genes are carried on the X chromosome. Male tricolor cats are extremely rare and usually occur due to genetic irregularities. Even more uncommon are fertile male tricolors, making these cats true biological rarities. The secret behind their striking coats lies in a phenomenon called X chromosome inactivation. In each cell, one X chromosome is randomly switched off, creating the beautiful patchwork of colors seen in their fur. This genetic complexity may also influence their bold, assertive, and territorial nature. Tricolor cats are a powerful blend of beauty, intelligence, and attitude, living proof that nature's rarest designs often come with the strongest personalities. Number 4. White cats. White cats appear as if they are carved from snow, gliding through their surroundings with a quiet elegance that feels almost otherworldly. Their movements are soft and deliberate, and their presence carries a sense of calm that naturally draws attention without demanding it. Often reserved at first, white cats tend to observe the world carefully, taking their time before fully opening up to those around them. When a white cat chooses to trust you, the bond that forms is deep and meaningful. These cats are loyal companions who express affection in subtle, gentle ways. They are remarkably sensitive to human emotions, often sensing shifts in mood before a word is spoken. Many owners notice that white cats seem to offer silent comfort, staying close during moments of stress or sadness, as if their presence alone is enough to restore balance. Behind their serene appearance lies fascinating genetics. The white coat is linked to the W gene, which affects the migration of pigment-producing cells during embryonic development. When these cells fail to reach certain areas, the result is pure white fur. However, this same process can also impact the inner ear, which explains why white cats, particularly those with blue eyes, have a higher likelihood of being deaf in one or both ears. Despite this, white cats often develop heightened awareness through other senses, relying on visual cues, vibrations, and subtle movements to navigate their environment with confidence. Some white cats display heterochromia, a striking condition where each eye is a different color. This rare feature further highlights their genetic uniqueness and adds to their mysterious charm. Elegant, perceptive, and quietly intelligent, white cats embody a delicate balance between beauty and complexity, true enigmas shaped by nature's most subtle designs. Number 5. Tuxedo cats. Tuxedo cats look like they've stepped straight out of a black tie affair. Their glossy black coats sharply contrasted by crisp white markings, giving them a look of perpetual elegance. But don't let that formal appearance fool you. Their personalities are lively, playful, and endlessly engaging. These cats thrive on interaction and are often at the center of household activity, charming everyone with their expressive faces and clever antics. Tuxedos have a natural flair for comedy. They seem to have an innate sense of timing, knowing exactly when to pounce, play, or demand attention in ways that make you smile or laugh without fail. Their curious, confident demeanor allows them to adapt effortlessly to changes in their environment, making them ideal companions in busy homes or in households with multiple pets. Despite their mischievous streak, they're remarkably affectionate, often forming strong, lasting bonds with their favorite humans. The signature black and white coat of tuxedo cats is the result of the piebald gene, which controls how white patches appear during embryonic development. These patterns are unique to each cat, almost like a natural work of art painted on their fur. While science has yet to establish a direct connection between coat patterns and personality, countless cat owners report that tuxedo cats are unusually outgoing, friendly, and socially adept. Some researchers have even dubbed them feline diplomats for their ability to smooth over tensions, not only with humans, but also with other animals. They possess a natural social intelligence, often mediating interactions or simply easing the energy in a room. It's as if their contrasting black and white coats mirror a balance of playfulness and poise, making tuxedo cats one of the most charismatic and beloved personalities in the feline world. Number 6. Tabby cats. Tabby cats carry the spirit of their wild ancestors in every stripe, swirl, or spot on their coat. Looking like miniature tigers navigating the modern world, they exude an energy and curiosity that is impossible to ignore. Their patterns aren't just beautiful, they hint at a deep, ancient lineage that connects these domestic cats to their hunting forebears. Tabbies are natural explorers. Even in a familiar room, they seem to discover new corners, shadows, and objects to investigate. Their curiosity is matched by remarkable intelligence. They are quick learners, adept at problem solving, and endlessly inventive in their play. Whether it's figuring out how to open a door, chasing a hidden toy, or observing the movements of other animals in the house, tabby cats are always mentally engaged. Their energy is lively but never chaotic. They balance enthusiasm with careful observation, making them both entertaining and insightful companions. The tabby pattern is one of the oldest and most genetically significant in the feline world. The agouti gene is responsible for those alternating light and dark bands that create their signature look, a trait closely linked to the instincts of wild hunters. This genetic history may also help explain their inquisitive and adventurous personalities, as these traits would have been vital for survival in the wild. Many tabby cats also display the iconic M shape on their forehead, a feature steeped in legends and folklore across cultures. Scientifically, it is simply the result of how pigment is distributed in their fur, but it adds an undeniable touch of mystique to these already fascinating felines. For centuries, tabbies have captivated humans not only with their striking patterns, but also with their lively, intelligent, and instinct-driven personalities, making them one of the most intriguing and enduringly popular types of cats. Number 7. Gray or blue cats. Gray or blue cats carry an air of serenity that seems to settle over any room they enter. Their soft, velvety coats, combined with gentle, contemplative eyes, project an aura of calm that immediately puts those around them at ease. These cats are affectionate, yet they rarely demand attention, preferring the quiet companionship of simply being near their humans rather than constantly seeking it. There's a subtle grace in how they move, a measured elegance that makes every gesture seem intentional and soothing. Gray cats are loyal and form deep, lasting bonds with their families. They are sensitive to the moods of their human companions, offering quiet comfort when it's needed most. Their preference for routines and peaceful environments makes them ideal for homes that value calm and stability. Unlike more boisterous breeds, gray cats often seem content to observe life unfolding around them, quietly participating without needing to dominate the scene. Genetically, their unique color comes from a dilution gene, which lightens the darker pigments in their fur to create that soft, smoky gray tone. This genetic trait not only produces their elegant coat, but may also influence temperament. Some studies have suggested that cats with diluted fur often exhibit calmer, more relaxed behavior, though upbringing and environment naturally play a significant role as well. Interestingly, the dilution gene can also affect fur texture. Gray cats frequently have coats that are softer and denser, adding to their irresistible tactile appeal. Running your fingers through their fur is as comforting as their presence, reinforcing the sense of tranquility they bring. Combining physical elegance with a quiet, balanced personality, gray cats are the embodiment of calm, offering both comfort and companionship to those lucky enough to share their lives with them. Number 8. Siamese and colorpoint cats. Siamese cats are impossible to overlook. Sleek, graceful, and strikingly elegant, they command attention not just with their stunning cream-colored bodies and deep blue eyes, but with their unmistakable personalities. These cats are highly social and form intense, almost human-like bonds with their owners, craving connection and companionship at all times. Their loyalty runs deep, and being separated from their favorite person for too long can leave them restless or anxious. Communication is a hallmark of the Siamese personality. These cats will follow you from room to room, narrating their observations with distinctive, melodic meows. It's as if they're holding conversations about everything happening around them, from the mundane to the mysterious. Their emotional intelligence allows them to sense mood changes in their humans, often offering comfort or playful distraction exactly when it's needed. For a Siamese, being part of your life isn't optional, it's essential. The signature color point pattern is a remarkable genetic phenomenon. A temperature-sensitive gene controls pigmentation, so the cooler extremities of the body, ears, paws, tail, and mask, develop darker fur, while the warmer torso remains light. This explains why Siamese kittens are born nearly white, gradually darkening as they grow. Their dazzling blue eyes are another genetic marvel, created by a lack of pigment in the iris, which reflects light to produce a crystal-clear hue that seems almost otherworldly. Combined, these traits make Siamese cats among the most expressive and engaging felines in the world. Their vocal nature, emotional depth, and strong attachment to their humans create a bond unlike any other. Living with a Siamese is never quiet or dull. It's a dynamic experience full of communication, affection, and unmistakable personality, proving that this breed is as intelligent and emotionally aware as it is beautiful. Number 9. What science really says about coat color and personality. By now, you may be asking yourself, can a cat's coat color really reveal their personality, or are these simply myths we've come to believe over time? The scientific answer is both nuanced and fascinating. While coat color alone does not dictate behavior, it is deeply connected to genetics, and genetics play a profound role in shaping a cat's physical traits, emotional tendencies, and behavioral patterns. Many of the genes that determine fur color are located near or interact with genes that influence the nervous system, hormone production, and stress responses. This proximity can create subtle correlations between coat color and personality traits. For example, certain cats may exhibit more confidence, sociability, or sensitivity because of how their pigment-related genes interact with neurological pathways. However, it's important to remember that environment, early social experiences, and daily life profoundly shape how a cat behaves, sometimes even overriding genetic predispositions. Researchers are careful to emphasize that these patterns are tendencies rather than strict rules. Two cats with identical coats can have completely different personalities, proving that no color automatically guarantees a specific trait. Yet, both scientific studies and decades of pet owner observations reveal consistent trends that suggest coat color, biology, and behavior are intertwined more than previously understood. Ultimately, a cat's personality emerges from a complex interplay of genetics, development, and life experiences. While a black cat might often appear mysterious and a ginger cat might seem outgoing, these associations are general tendencies rather than certainties. Understanding these subtle links can help us appreciate our feline companions more fully, seeing not just their beautiful coats, but also the fascinating genetic and behavioral stories hidden beneath the fur. Science doesn't provide absolute answers, but it gives us a deeper insight into why cats of different colors can exhibit such wonderfully diverse personalities. Number 10. Understanding your cat beyond color. While a cat's coat color can offer intriguing hints about personality, the most reliable way to understand your feline companion is by observing their behavior and emotional cues. Cats are constantly communicating, often in ways that are subtle yet deeply expressive. Every flick of the tail, slow blink, or purr carries meaning, signaling feelings ranging from contentment to curiosity. Conversely, flattened ears, excessive hiding, hissing, or sudden aggression are clear signs that something is amiss, whether it be stress, fear, or discomfort. A happy, well-adjusted cat is one that feels safe, understood, and respected. By paying attention to daily routines, preferred play activities, and reactions to environmental changes, you gain a far more complete picture of your cat's inner world than color alone could ever reveal. Emotional well-being is just as crucial as physical health, and cats thrive when their environment meets their needs for security, stimulation, and social connection. Interpreting these signals requires patience, observation, and a willingness to engage on your cat's terms. The way a cat approaches interaction, whether curling up beside you for quiet companionship or boldly seeking attention, tells you volumes about trust and emotional attachment. Over time, recognizing these patterns allows you to respond appropriately, creating a supportive and nurturing environment that reinforces positive behaviors and strengthens your bond. Ultimately, understanding a cat goes far beyond appearance. While genetics and coat color may hint at tendencies, the truest insights come from connection. By reading their signals, respecting their boundaries, and responding to their emotional cues, you cultivate a relationship built on trust, empathy, and mutual respect. Observing and listening to your cat transforms everyday interactions into a deeper dialogue that enriches both your lives. Number 11. Signs your cat is happy, balanced, and thriving. Cats may not speak our language, but they are constant communicators, sending signals about their emotional and physical well-being at every moment. A happy, balanced cat demonstrates their comfort and security through subtle yet unmistakable behaviors. Relaxed body posture, slow, deliberate blinking, gentle kneading with their paws, and a tail held upright in a soft curve all indicate that a cat feels safe and content in their environment. These gestures are not merely adorable, they are expressions of trust and emotional stability. Playfulness is another essential marker of a thriving feline. Cats that engage in regular play, exploration, or even light mischief are demonstrating mental stimulation and emotional fulfillment. Even senior cats will show sparks of curiosity and playful energy when they feel secure and confident in their surroundings. This engagement is crucial. It signals that their minds are active and that they feel empowered to explore without fear. Daily routines also reveal a cat's well-being. Consistent grooming, a healthy appetite, and relaxed eating habits are all signs of emotional balance. Cats that feel happy and safe will take care of themselves naturally, maintaining their fur, claws, and overall health without prompting. Even their interactions with humans, whether initiating gentle head bumps, curling up for cuddles, or vocalizing softly, reflect a sense of comfort and confidence in their relationships. Ultimately, observing these behaviors helps us recognize when a cat is thriving. A happy cat's life is a blend of trust, play, curiosity, and routine, woven seamlessly into daily interactions. By understanding and respecting these signals, owners can ensure that their feline companions live emotionally and physically enriched lives. The most rewarding relationships with cats come when we notice and nurture these signs, fostering a bond built on security, love, and mutual understanding. Number 12. How understanding your cat strengthens your bond. When you take the time to truly understand your cat, their signals, personality, and emotional needs, you unlock a deeper, more meaningful connection. Cats are often misunderstood as aloof or distant, but those who observe carefully know that beneath their independence lies an intricate world of emotions and attachments. By recognizing their cues and learning what makes them feel safe, comfortable, and loved, you lay the foundation for trust, loyalty, and companionship that can last a lifetime. Understanding your cat goes far beyond noticing their coat color. It involves paying attention to body language, vocalizations, play behavior, and preferences for interaction. Some cats may express affection through gentle head nudges or curling up nearby, while others communicate with subtle tail flicks, slow blinks, or quiet purring. Learning to interpret these signals allows you to respond in ways that honor their individuality, creating a sense of security that strengthens your bond. This awareness also has practical benefits. Cats that feel understood and emotionally supported are less likely to develop stress-related behaviors, such as excessive grooming, hiding, or aggression. By providing an environment that meets both their physical and emotional needs, you foster harmony in your home, reducing tension and promoting mutual well-being. Every observation, every moment of quiet attention builds a stronger connection. Watching your cat explore, play, or relax in your presence gives insight into their inner world and creates shared experiences that deepen your relationship. Over time, this understanding transforms the way you interact, allowing you to anticipate their needs, celebrate their quirks, and appreciate their unique personalities. Ultimately, knowing your cat is not just about care. It's about forming a partnership built on trust, respect, and affection, where both human and feline thrive together. Now it's your turn. What color is your cat? And do you see these traits reflected in their personality? Are they calm and observant, playful and social, or strong-willed and independent? Share your experiences in the comments below. Every cat is unique, and your story helps paint a bigger picture of how color, genetics, and personality come together. Let's continue discovering what makes our feline companions so extraordinary. See you next time, cat lovers.